Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. Today, this 2022 Toyota Highlander XSE edition. XSE is the top of the line in the sports edition for the Highlander, and for 2022 the XSE is all that and a bag of chips. So in this video I'm going to walk around the exterior, show you what makes the XSE unique, and then be sure at the end to catch video number 2. That's going to be my interior overview. But let's go ahead and get started up front. Your XSE trim is really designed to be a sportier look and feel, and so we're going to take a look at the aero kit that they've put on the XSE. But let's start with your headlights. These are all LED headlights with LED daytime running lights here. Notice these are a projector style headlight as well. So super bright, super white, give you a lot of illumination down the road. The grille on the XSE, the upper part of the grille is an all glass finish to it, or all black gloss finish to it. And it looks really upscale, really high test quality on that look. Behind the Toyota badge, that's where we've got our dynamic radar cruise control, and then up in the windshield is where we've got our sensors for our pre-collision, pedestrian detection, lane departure. It's all up front there. The lower part of the grille is a little bit different. This is a gunmetal gray metallic painted, kind of a slatted grille there. And then the XSE does have LED fog lights down here in the lower bumper, and then an aero kit on the very bottom here with gunmetal gray, silver, gunmetal gray, black, so a lot of contrast in the front grille. And then there are these full vents here that kind of wrap around the edge, give it a much more sporty and aerodynamic look and feel to that. You can see that it does sit lower to the ground, or at least it appears to be lower to the ground because of that aero kit. The wheels on here, these are going to be a cast aluminum, kind of a brushed aluminum with a gloss black trim, and that's going to be a 20-inch wheel, and then it's mounted with 235/55 series tires, so a little bit lower profile tires. Four-wheel disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, vented disc brakes, traction control, and then this is your all-wheel drive edition. Now the suspension on the XSE is a sport tuned suspension, so it is going to give a more firm ride with that type of a suspension. Notice how long that wheelbase is. That's going to give you a nice smooth ride, even though it's going to be a firm ride. And the Highlander has huge door openings as well. We'll take a look at that in just a minute. Your over the fender protection is the matte black ABS plastic. Gloss black outside mirrors, LED turn signals in the mirrors. Mirrors do fold in. They also break away, and they have blind spot monitoring. They're also heated, and they also have puddle lights on there as well. The A-pillar is a gloss black applique, so right over the top leading up into the roof line, with a gloss black roof rail system, power sliding moonroof up top there, colored to match door handles with the smart keyless entry system. I love that body line that kind of starts up here and then wraps up and over the back wheels. This one does have the body side molding here that runs alongside the door, and that is going to be an extra charge. Comes in at $209 extra. And then on the very bottom of the door, there's a piece of silver trim here that runs the length of the door panel as well. Go ahead and pop that open, and you can see here. And the aero kit is all mounted on top of the door. So if you pick up some scratches, dents, or dings on these things, you can easily replace them. Just get them repainted and put them back on. Of course, the XSE has that red interior. Be sure and watch video number 2. That's when I'll show you the interior and show you the red. Gloss black on the B pillar, gloss black on the C pillar, and privacy glass all the way back, including the tailgate. Here at the rear of the Highlander, we've got a color to match shark fin antenna, The rear upper spoiler colored to match, silver. Third brake lights here, rear window defrost, rear washer wiper standard, and then chrome badging for the Toyota XSE all-wheel drive and the Highlander. We also have a power liftgate standard. Backup camera is going to be here. Super bright, super clear rear tail lenses. You'll notice there's a vortex generator here as well, designed to help with wind resistance and increase fuel economy. The lower bumper, very similar to what we saw up front with the silver trim, and we've got the ABS plastic here, which is very durable, scratch and dent resistant. These are reflectors, and then the XSE is a V6, so you get that dual chrome exhaust tips coming out the back. Here's a quick look underneath. There's your temporary spare tire. So again, the idea is they're looking for more of a sporty look. No enhanced performance, but as I mentioned, it does have a sport tune suspension. Gas door is going to be right here on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and swing around up front. We'll pop the hood and take a look at the 3.5 V6. So on the XSE edition, we've got the standard 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's a 24 valve V6 engine connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So the horsepower is 295 horsepower with a towing capacity up to 5,000 pounds. So a really great power plant. The engine and the transmission have a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, no deductible. We also get Toyota Care, which covers your basic maintenance, so your oil changes, your fluid top-offs, your tire rotations. Toyota is going to cover those for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and that will save you hundreds of dollars in maintenance over the first 2 years of ownership. The vehicle itself has a 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty, and that's designed to cover the manufacturer defect of everything outside of the powertrain. So a really good warranty on a really fantastic unit. The Highlander XSE, let me know in the comments if it hits all the sweet spots for you.